number of overs is left. So according to that, I'm quite satisfied with the effort. But of course, if the more runs we score, especially the lower order, last few batsmen, the better it is for the side, because we have not really capitalized on the slog overs and the second power play at the same time. So hopefully in the coming games, we'll be able to accumulate more runs.
Mahi, there's obviously huge pressure, huge expectation. How have the players found that? How have you found time to help them relax? And do you think it's their advantage playing at home, or is it?
Well, I think it is big, and you have 30,000, 40,000 odd people coming onto the field cheering for you, and if there's a situation when you are under pressure in on the field, then definitely those 30 or 40,000 odd people, if they're cheering for you, that really makes a bit of a difference. At the end of the day, you are the one who are supposed to execute your plans, but still, it really helps to have that kind of a home support. And about that pressure of expectation, it has always been a big part of the Indian cricket team. More often than not, the expectation levels are not set by you as an individual. It's often set by others. But what is important is the players, they have realized, it's not the expectation level that really matters. You have to be at your best, prepare well, and try to execute your plans well on the field. It doesn't matter whatever the expectation level is. If you perform well, everything goes well.
Mahi, just before in his press conference, Ricky Ponting talked about the India-Australia game and how his team needs to play the Australian way to get the better of India. According to you, what is it that the team India needs to do or lift itself? In which areas does it need to really lift itself to be able to take on Australia, which knows how to win World Cups?
We need to play the Indian way.
What is the Indian way?
Normal cricket.
Right. Yeah. Ask a question. Ask the question.
माइक कल नाइक वसीम ने कहा था शॉर्ट पिच बॉल खासकर हम भारतीय बल्लेबाज को खिलाएंगे जो कि कमजोरी है, इसके बारे में कहा। और दूसरी चीज रिकी पोंटिंग ने कहा 2003 में हमने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, हम वीडियो देखेंगे और इंस्पिरेशन लेंगे। इन दोनों के बारे में आपका क्या?
Well, आधी टीम 2003 से अभी नहीं खेल रही है, so half of the videos won't be very relevant. And about the fast bowling aspect, definitely they have got good fast bowlers, but not to forget we have won a test match in Perth, the last time we won at Durban. So people have been talking about the short pitch stuff a lot, but not to forget, the best batsmen of the world, they don't like facing the short pitch deliveries. One good thing, it's not something that's new to us. It always follows us. Wherever we are, the shadows of short pitch deliveries can be seen. So I don't think it's a new strategy.
In all the 6 games that have been concluded, the 7th batsman has not been producing that much. Would you bite the bullet and play 3 spinners like Chawla, Ashwin and Baji at some stage?
That will be very tough.
Okay, thank you.
Did you follow the way Pakistan beat Australia, and did you have any lesson from that match?
Different teams have their own strategy depending on the kind of strength they have. And Pakistan, they have got a different set of bowlers, and again the condition in which they were playing is or was very different from where we will be playing our next game, or where we played against Australia in Bangalore. So I think you can't really have a fixed plan as to this is what is needed to beat a particular team. You have to see what your potential is, what your strengths are, and accordingly you have to plan to get the amount of runs that are thrown to you, or defend whatever you have scored.
MS सचिन का रिकॉर्ड ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है। अगर कल सेंचुरी बनाते हैं तो एक रिकॉर्ड तो उनके नाम होगा ही, इंडिया के लिए भी सेमीफाइनल आसान हो जाएगा। सो स्पेशल एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम सचिन।
कल के मैच के बाद इस बारे में बात करें तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि सचिन की जो 50th टेस्ट सेंचुरी थी उसके लिए भी हम काफ़ी परेशान हुए थे। सो प्लीज़ लीव हिम, let him be at his best, and let him score runs.
Last 2 questions. 1, 2.
My 2 questions. One, you must have looked at the pitch.
are your views about the wicket? And other, like you have said that you would discuss, you will take a call on Viru either today evening or tomorrow morning. How much as a captain you would like to have him in your side, considering that he's a kind of player who can match fire with fire, and the way he played, especially against Dale Steyn and Moni Mokal, and we have similar kind of opposition in the quarterfinals, and he's a kind of player who can raise his game on a day when it matters the most.
It's really good to have Virender Sehwag opening the innings for you, because again, as some of the friends just contributed, deliveries will be shot and to the body or somewhere else, and he's the kind of batsman, if you're slightly wrong with it, he can make the most out of that kind of a bowling. So it's really good to have him. He can play aggressive game, he can change the course of the game in the first 5 overs, give your team the kind of momentum that is needed. And about the wicket, the only problem of having the press conference before the practice session is you don't get time to have a look at the wicket. But I saw it yesterday before the practice. It was slightly damp, so I don't have you can say a view about the wicket, but looks slightly on the drier side. But I'll have to exactly see how it looks after the practice session or before the start of the game.
ऑस्ट्रेलियन कोच ने कल कहा था कि इट्स अ मिनी फाइनल. आप किस तरह से देख रहे हैं इस मैच को, या फिर ऐसे समझ रहे हैं कि वो दबाव बनाने की एक कोशिश है?
कितने लोग आए थे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में? हर कोई कल ही बोल रहा है. I think it's an important game for us. It's the first knockout game that we would be playing, and that's what I have to say. I won't give it a category of a pre-final or pre-whatever game. It's an important game, and it's a game where you have to win, irrespective of what opposition you are playing. So that's it for me, and from the side, it's an important game for us.
Last question.
भाई, आपको लगता है पिछले कुछ सालों में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ हम जब भी उतरे हैं, जो प्लेयर्स की इंटेंसिटी है वो लगभग वैसी ही है या उससे शायद बेहतर है? जैसे पहले हम कभी पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ उतरते थे तो लगता था कि शायद हम और कहीं हार जाएं, यहाँ ना हारे. वो चीज शायद आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ हमें लगती है?
Well, I think in the last 2-3 years, definitely what we have seen is the India-Australia bilateral series. It's among the most viewed series, which means the players are more intense on the field. They want to give their best. As to they know the whole world is keeping a keen eye on the contest between the players. So that's also a reason why we are seeing more intensity and people wanting to perform in these big games. So it's a big positive for both the sides, because you want your key players to perform, and being intense really helps you perform at your best.
Thank you all.